Meter bridge. Meter bridge is an instrument. It is used to measure the resistance of a given wire, and hence we can calculate specific resistance or resistivity of a wire. So working principle of Wheaton bridge is balanced Wheaton's network. So a Wheaton's bridge consists of a bridge wire AB of 1 meter length so it is stretched over a wooden board. The metal strips has two gaps. So this is one metal strip, this is one metal strip, this is one metal strip. So this is one gap, so it is called left gap. This is another gap, this is right gap. Now let us say the resistance of a wire X has to be found. Let that resistance be X. Now let us say a standard resistance whose resistance is known to us, let us call it as S. So it is taken in the right gap. So it is connected in the right gap. From point D, a galvanometer is connected. From galvanometer, it is connected to sliding contact, which can be slided over the entire bridge wire. So you can compare this with the Wheaton's bridge. So this is S. Now if the balance point is obtained at point C, the length of the wire from A to C, if it is L, then remaining length will be 100 minus L. So AC forms one resistance of Wheaton bridge. So between A and D, X is there, that forms one resistance. S is there, one that forms one resistance. 100 minus L, this forms another resistance. So a suitable resistance S is unplugged in the standard resistance box, and the sliding contact is moved from point A on the wire, keeping in contact with the wire. So it is slided over this, and at some point C we get balance. That means galvanometer shows zero deflection. When it shows zero deflection, bridge is balanced. You know very well, bridge is balanced. So if the bridge is balanced, then the balance condition is X divided by S should be equal to resistance of wire of length L divided by resistance of wire of length 100 minus L. So resistance of wire of length L is rho L divided by A, whereas resistance of wire of length 100 minus L is rho into 100 minus L divided by A. Now rho and A get cancelled, you will get L divided by 100 minus L. So what we have got is X by S is equal to L divided by 100 minus L. Now X is equal to SL divided by 100 minus L. See, notice one thing here, we have measured L in centimeter, so it will be SL divided by 100 minus L. If it is taken in meter, then X will be equal to SL divided by 1 minus L. So using this equation, you can find the unknown resistance. So this is how meter bridge can be used to calculate the resistance of a wire, and hence you can, by measuring the diameter of the wire using screw gauge, you can calculate its resistivity also.